Hello, good morning, everyone. By the end of my speech, there were 9 deaths reported due to accidents. Okay, thank you. DKM Machines, we are basically working on solve the problem of, uh, you know, on-road accidents. Our main outlet is to make the vehicle more smart. The smart enough to solve the three major problems of the uh, automobile industry. The number one is the road accidents. We never know when road accident happens, what objects comes into between. We never know what the next driver is, how they are driving. We never know how they behave with their driving skills. The second one is it is nearly impossible to know the sudden accidents or sudden failure of our vehicle system happens at the efficiency of systems that take place. Then the third one is the insurance buyer. The insurance buyer doesn't know what should be they should pay, and the most important, the insurance provider don't know how their accident happens. They don't have idea how these accidents are happening. To solve this problem, DKM Machines has developed AI-based device which is blockchain machine powered to solve these issues. To use this device, the manufacturer or user have to install this device. This device will start taking the data of the vehicles and it will start analyze the data. It will also start connecting to nearby vehicles and they will start sending data of each other. They will start sending their locations, the behavior of a driver, and also the behavior of and the efficiency of the engine taking place. And this report will help the insurance industry uh, to analyze how the accidents happen, what is the efficiency of a vehicle, and what should be the right cost for the buyer to pay for the insurance as well. If we talk about the market size, the worldwide, there is a 1.5 billion vehicles, and they are being manufactured. We want you to make sure that you reach your home safely because a family is waiting. The competitions, it's really hard in this industry. There are lots of companies who are working on the LiDAR and radar system to identify the objects that's coming onto the way of vehicles. The product is simple. There is a device which is artificial intelligence and machine blockchain powered. There is an insurance credit system which will able to analyze the data being generated from the vehicles and the user driving patterns, as well as there are more features we are developing that's connecting cars, connecting vehicles via the network of the connecting vehicles as well. We have simple sales and distribution plan, the digital advertising through automation of dealers, sell it with the insurance and the first year free insurance, as well as through the vehicle manufacturers. We have team of 2 people, me and my partner Piyush Shupe. Till date, we have generated the numerous data from our POC, and we can say that this will be the future of automobile industry for the on-road safety to avoid the mishap and the accidents. We are totally bootstrapped. We are looking to raise the fund. This is a small video. Thank you.
All right, we might just go straight to, let's just go straight to the Q&A while the video plays, if you like. Go ahead.
You in one slide you show some competition, right?
Yeah.
So what is your unique point of difference? How are you better than the others? And some of the brands are kind of like have more resources, is more established. So how are you tackling that game?
Actually, the competitions have LiDAR and radar systems, and what we are doing is different from them. We have a device which actually analyzes the generated data, locations. It actually sends to the another car that this particular vehicle is there and its driving is rash. How the behavior of driving. If anything goes within the vehicle, it will alert the next vehicle that this is a broke down vehicle. It is standing over there. Then another thing is that if there is anything wrong within the vehicle, it will also send the nearby vehicle alert that this particular vehicle is not in control. You should avoid, or they are taking overtake. Or if you're overtaking some on highways, then it will show that there is a vehicle is coming from the another end. It will show you the live interactions of all the vehicles on the map.
I had a question about the fact that it's a device, right? So you mentioned that there's a lot of, whatever it was, I think 1.5 billion cars, right? So I inferred that you're selling directly to the consumer, and the intent is that the consumer buys your device and then puts it on the dashboard, and all of the platform data that is being collected through the sensors is then relayed to the insurance companies on whatever regularity of that process. I think like where the automotive industry is going is that quite a lot of cars are becoming more smart as it is. And while there is existing competition in the space, it seems to me that actually quite a lot of sensor data might already be acquired through the car's internal systems. So how are you differentiating? Like, why would I suppose it's similar to the other question? How is your system going to be more effective than what is already going to be embedded in the car?
Actually, we are not limited to cars. We are looking for a whole automotive industry, like all the vehicles, whether it's a truck or whether it's a scooter. What happens once this device is installed? They will start talking to each other. They will start sending the data to each other. They will start sending their health report to each other. They will start sending their locations within the range of the device, and they will actually, you can say, they will have their own social media kind of things where they are talking to each other and alerting each other. This is AI, so it will start telling the driver that okay, this next nearby vehicle is not good. It's going to be crashed into your car. You should be better avoid this particular vehicle. Also, it will analyze the driving patterns, so it will help insurance industry that how is the driver's behavior throughout the course of a year and why these accidents happens. Okay, what is the efficiency of particular vehicle is, how vehicle has been maintained throughout the course of a year, and that will help insurance company to rate their credit system and charge the insurance according to credit system, according to credit of the particular vehicle or driver. Thank you.
Great. Well done. Thank you very much. Fantastic.